Hey everyone, so I just got in the mail today. I'm so excited. I'll let you take a peek. You guys probably won't be as excited as I am, but I don't know if you can see. Look at that, look at that. Can you see? Here, I'll pull these out. Anyone know what these are for? Uh-huh. If you do, let me know down in the comments. Alright, y'all will probably know exactly what they're for once you see what everything else that gets pulled out. The only thing I've got against this company is it takes freaking forever to get everything. Like, literally forever. So, but, you know, they have really good quality seeds, so I needed to get some more of the garden tape, so that's what I got. Yes, this is to secure the vines, whether it be tomatoes or cucumbers, you know, things like that. Let's see. There is the cards. Got 3 of them. So here's some information. I don't know if you guys can see that. So here you go, share 10. Share with a friend and they can save 10% off their next order. There you go, share 10. Everything is 100% organic and GMO free, you know, things like that. I needed some more, yeah, I don't know, little things, tags. I need more tags. So I got a few more of those. And then I got a few extra of the tabs to hold on to. I guess if that's, I don't even know if tab is the correct, clip supports is what it is. So, like truss supports. Alright, so here are, I still have some more that I need to order, but these are mostly my tomato orders. I do have a couple of each of them because I'm going to send some to my dad. I'm not going to, well, I'm going to plant every one of them, but I'm only going to plant one plant for certain ones, and those are the ones I'm not sure of. So, and as I go through these, I'll let you know. So this one is the giant Belgium. I will only be planting one of these because I've never had it before and I want to try it out. The Brandywine Black. Now I do enjoy these, so I will plant a couple of these. And I got 2 of them, one for my dad. So there's 2 of those. The pink ox heart. Now, if you followed me a little bit last year, you know that I planted these and I really, really did like these. So I got 2 of those. Again, one for my dad. The German Johnson was another one that I really enjoyed. So again, 2 of those. One for my dad. I got Aroma Tomato. I will be planting a few of these because I absolutely love the aromas. Canning, they're really good to can, but I love to make salads with these. These are my go-tos. Cherokee Purple. That's just one I want to try. I've not had it, so that's that. The Orange Currant. I will only like these be planting 1 or 2 just because Never had them, so I wanted to try them. I love the little cherry tomatoes, especially for, just something to snack on or to throw into a salad. The mortgage lifter, love the mortgage lifter. And again, two of these, one to give to my dad. A new one for me is the black from Tula tomato. Just gonna be one or two of these because never had it, so I want to try it. The black cherry, same thing. Now I've had the black cherry in the actual little cherry tomatoes, but these actually get bigger, so I thought I would try that, so I will only be planting one or two. Beefsteak, I will be planting a few of these because my husband loves these, especially when I make sandwiches out of them. Oops, bump y'all. Let's see. Okay, that was it for the tomatoes. Here we got the sugar pie pumpkins. Absolutely love to make pumpkin pies. So I am going to definitely be growing a few plants with that. My husband loves peppers, so I'm going to and I love paprika, so I'm going to grow these and smoke them, and then I'm going to dry them out and create my own smoked paprika. So there's that. Just four I had. Oh, I guess not. This is a new one for me, so I'm only going to plant one. This is the golden midget watermelon. So that's a new one to try. I love the sugar babies, so I will be planting a couple of these. So, and then this one, I'm only going to plant one or two because it's a new one, and I thought I would try it, and that's the White Wonder cucumber. So, like I said, just a few of these will get planted for the most part. I still have seeds from last year that I will be planting, and then I've got some more on order. So when I get those, I will definitely show them to you. So these are more to save your tomato vines, because even when you have them in like the fence, tomato fence things, sometimes the tomatoes can get really heavy, or the wind will be really heavy, especially here because we can get some wind that's crazy. And you just clip these on, at the base, and this will help prevent them from snapping. So, and then of course, that's just to connect them. And then for extra stability, and then of course, So that is what I got. I'm excited. So, all right, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this because this is what's coming up here in the next few weeks of me planting a lot of these. I'm really excited because that is coming up. So, all right, I'm going to let you guys go. I love you all, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day or night, depending on what time you're watching this. And I will see you later. As always, don't forget to smile. Bye-bye.